Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make an instant no-cook mango kulfi. When we make a traditional kulfi recipe, we need to cook the milk for a very long time till it reduces to half the quantity to give us a very tasty kulfi. I still make those kulfi recipes, but this recipe is such an easy and simple one. It takes only 5 minutes to put together. It's an instant recipe and you don't have to do any cooking in this recipe, but still the end product is so tasty. It tastes just like the original, the traditional one where we cook for a long time. So I'm going to show you how to make this no cook mango kulfi today. So to start off, in a large mixie jar, take about 2 cups of chopped mangoes. Make sure your mangoes are very ripe to get a nice taste. To this I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk. This is boiled milk. I've boiled the milk already and I've cooled it completely, and I'm adding it to the mixie jar. Now we'll blend this to make a nice and smooth puree. Now the puree is done, we'll start adding the other ingredients. First of all, I'm going to add a sweetener to it. I'm adding condensed milk. I'm adding about half a tin. This is 400 gram condensed milk tin. You can increase or decrease depending on your taste preference. To this I'm adding half a cup of fresh cream. Today I'm using Amul blue packet fresh cream. So I'm using about half cup of cream here. Along with this, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. Add all these ingredients and blend the mixture again. Make sure you get a nice and smooth mixture. That's it actually. Our instant mango kulfi is all done. To this, I am adding some chopped nuts. I've taken 2 tablespoons of almond and 2 tablespoons of pista. Chop these nuts and then toast it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. If you don't want to use the microwave, you can also use the gas stove. Put it in a pan and saute it for a few seconds till it becomes nice and crispy. Adding toasted nuts gives a very nice taste to these nuts. It is very crispy when you eat, so I always suggest toasting these nuts before adding it in. This is it. Our instant mango kulfi is done. You can add it in popsicle molds or kulfi molds. You can also add it in these matkas. And once you've added it, we'll close it up completely. While closing these matkas, I've used aluminum foil to close it completely. Seal it well. And if you have any remaining, I've just poured it in one bowl and I'm closing the bowl as well. Make sure it's all airtight and leave it in the freezer for about 8 hours, or you can leave it overnight. When you're ready to have the kulfi, just show the popsicle mold or the kulfi mold under the running tap water for about 5 to 10 seconds. Twist lightly and pull and it will come out easily. So I left these popsicle molds out for a little while and then I removed it. It came out very easily. And this is it. Our kulfi is all ready. You can see how creamy and silky it is. The taste is very delicious. It tastes just like the original traditional kulfi recipe. This is the matka kulfi. This has also set very well. You can add as many nuts as you want. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your desire. I added very less because my kids don't like to eat nuts. You can also skip the almonds and add full pistachios. So do try this instant kulfi this summer. It's very easy to make and I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it. Until next time, bye bye.